Looking for the perfect hardwood flooring? Meet Mohawk's TecWood, real hardwood with advanced engineering for strength, beauty, and durability. TecWood offers the timeless beauty of hardwood with enhanced stability and durability, resisting expansion, warping, and everyday wear to keep your floors looking gorgeous for years. Explore a range of premium wood finishes, from the distinctive character of hickory and the timeless appeal of oak, to the subtle elegance of maple and the rich warmth of walnut, perfectly complementing any home decor. Worried about spills? TecWood offers lifetime spills and moisture warranty, making it ideal for kitchens, living spaces, and even basements. TecWood features Uniclic technology, making installation a snap, whether you're a pro or a weekend DIYer. With collections like TecWood Essentials, TecWood Select, TecWood Plus, and TecWood Enhanced, there's a style to suit every need. Shop Mohawk TecWood and bring home the perfect blend of beauty and durability. Only here at Floor City. Floors built for living.